Welcome to our coffee break training session. The idea is that we'll give you a series of short videos that you can watch on your coffee break. Well, it doesn't have to be your coffee break. This series is designed to fit into your schedule and take up as big or small a block of time as you have. That means you can watch it on break, you can listen during your commute, or you can binge watch the series like Netflix if you want. The information from one session will build on the next so that when you're done with this series, you'll be able to look at Firestop in the built environment differently than you may have in the past. When you understand how Firestop is tested, you'll have a different understanding that will allow you and me to talk about Firestop at a different level. Some people think that we should dumb the topic down so that everyone can understand it better. I completely disagree. In my opinion, if you need it dumbed down, you should find another trade. This is life safety, and quite frankly, it's not where dummies belong. So, in order for us to talk about Firestop at a higher level, I need to make sure that we're all on the same page. That's why this video series will take you through a lot of different topics and stories that may initially seem disconnected. But if you stick with us long enough, you'll see that everything connects back together. We'll start with some of the basic ideas as we work through this. If you already know the topic, please bear with me, pat yourself on the back, but listen just the same because I may present the information in a way that helps you consider Firestop or fire testing in a slightly different perspective. This first series will talk about how rated assemblies are tested, and that will set the groundwork for some other discussions about fire test standards and Firestop in general. From there, we'll go over how fire-rated floors and walls are tested. Then we'll talk about how we connect those rated assemblies one to another in order to maintain the code-required continuity and how those applications are tested. Those will be our rated joints. So keep in mind, these sessions are designed to be different. We don't want to just fill your head with information. We want to inspire you to think about the information and how it applies to your work. If you've taken training on this in the past, you've probably heard all the good stories and they showed you all the pretty pictures of all the Firestop done right. But do they tell you what it looks like when it's done wrong? Or what to look for to make sure that it's done right? Did you have any discussions about some of the potential weak points? That's one more way that this training is going to be different. If you're an architect or an engineer, if you're a construction manager or a general contractor, if you work in the trades, you install Firestop, you conduct QA/QC, or if you maintain an existing building, this information will help you understand Firestop at a whole new level. If you're interested, I would love for you to join us.